1, 2, 3, funk it.
Hi guys! Welcome to my first ever vlog. So, today's ganap is going to be my best friend's 18th birthday. Yes, best friend kasi madami akong best friend and I can trust pick any specific one kasi they are special in their own ways. So, ayun. Anyways, today's errands is, bibili lang ako ng flowers and cake for her. Yung flowers, hindi siya yung gift ko. I have a separate gift which you'll see in the next clip. But anyways, without further ado, let's go and do my errands. Oh my God. Sorry po, alam na bago lang talaga ako. I really just want to start my vlogging era. Okay. So, ayun. I'll see you guys after, or maybe I'll get some clips of me ordering or buying the flowers. So, catch you there. Bye!
Okay, let's do a quick fit check there. So that is my fit for July 16.
You drank too much. You said I
There.
only want you,
So
only
cute.
want you. When we woke up,
Hey.
you were gone.
Okay,
It was
so the top is from my
obvious.
mom's,
You only came
Yes, the
through 'cause you
green
had
top
nothing to
is from
do.
my mom.
When we woke up,
and
you were gone.
then the bag,
You said you never
kit bag is from Shopee as well as the clip,
but you just
and then the pants were from Shopee as well, and the sleepers from Shopee. Shopee please and sponsored. Shut up. Let's hop in the video.
took a trip out to Vegas. Side of the road in the car. Lied to your parents, said we get a hotel, but it was more
Punta
than
na
both
po
of
ako,
us
kina Sandy.
could buy a driveway. It's calling you now. Say what you want, leaning on my shoulder, too tight away. Always getting closer, you're the one I want. Not sure I know you to be. People
So hi guys, so the last clip you just watched is from 12 days ago and I didn't vlog that much in that day kasi the place is too crowded plus the birthday girl is kinda busy. Yung nag-quick update lang, hindi ako naka-attend yung 18th birthday ng isa ko pang best friend kasi she's busy that day. She's processing her scholarship paper ata. And ayun, I respect her schedule din naman kasi when pag college ka na, marami kang inaayos na papers, especially mga scholarship. This past few days, may bagyo. So sana nag-ingat kayo at mag-ingat kayo palagi. So ayun, kapon lang hindi umulan. And I think today is going to be a clear day. Nag-chat siya sa akin kagabi saying na available nga daw siya today. So yun, makikita na kami. And it's currently 6:30 in the morning and I'm actually running late. Pero chill lang, charot. Sinabi ko din sa kanya na baka nga malate ako. So ayun, magkikita kami today and I'll catch you there. Maliligo na ako.
Hi guys, we're running a bit late and that's not okay. Pero yun, sabi niya nandun na daw siya sa Uncle John's. Doon kami makikita. So yun, catch you there later. Okay, so let's do a quick fit check. All of this from top to shoes, I mean slippers, is from Shopee. Shopee business sponsor. Charot. Okay, so hindi ko na nasama yung clip na nag-add ako ng letter kasi sabi ko super plain lang kung sketchpad lang yung laman ng bag. Saka ang laki din yung nabili kong gift bag. So ayan, I'm running late and pupuntahan ko na siya. Bye!
Hi guys! So I just got back from home and nag-change muna ako into my pambahay clothes and kanina pa ako nakauwi, exactly 1 p.m. Hindi din ako nakapag-vlog that much today kasi something unexpected happened. Nakapabrigada kami nang wala sa oras, but it was fun. Saka na-enjoy din naman namin yung pagbrigada namin kasi tawa lang kami ng tawa and nakapag-catch up na rin kami. So ayun. And I noticed na hindi pala siya nasama sa mga clips ko ng pag-video kasi chinachat niya yung advisor niya na pupunta nga kami sa tutulong kami sa pagbibrigada. So ayun. Mag-take lang ako ng aking rest and then I'm planning to watch a movie later. So ayun. Samahan niyo ako manood mamaya. Okay, so hi guys, hindi pala ako nakapag-outro kagabi kasi nakatulog na ako. Ang ganda kasi ng movie. Nantok na ako nun. But anyways, if you're wondering kung bakit ganun yung binigay kong gift, totally opposite. Ganito kasi yun. I base those gifts from their personality. While for Sandy, she likes that girly stuff. While for Aliyah, she's more into artistic side. So, kaya yun yung binigay ko. And ayun, I think they will more appreciate it kung specific yung ibibigay ko, yung talagang gusto nila and magagamit talaga nila. So, ayun. Walang favoritism here. It's just that ganun lang ako ng regalo if I base it on their personalities and what they like or what they will like. Kasi kung bibigyan ko si Aliyah ng earrings, hindi siya masyadong nag-accessories and nagpuput ng makeup sa kanyang face. So, kaya ayun. For mga art materials lang yung niregalo ko sa kanya. And as for Sandy, girly stuffs, of course. So, yun. That will be all. Thank you for watching and I hope you like my video and please subscribe. And I'm so sorry, I'm just so new into this. So, ayun. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!